How to download My Resume on LinkedIn mobile app. Firstly, you have to install the LinkedIn mobile app in your Android or from Play Store. Now open the app front page and we are going to download My Resume. Just you have to click on the jobs icon, click on the jobs. Now click on the three dots which appear at the right top corner. Click on it. You can see here application settings. Just click on it. We are going to download My Resume. You can see here there is an uploaded resume. In the three dots, click on it and download. Click on it. This way My Resume will be downloaded in my phone. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.